Oh, oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, oh, he's a good one. Oh, come on, come on. What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. I got my first fly fishing video from coming since we've been moved across the country, coming in for you. We hit up a dam that we did in a previous video, but I decided I was gonna try to use some big streamers and fish big streamers and see what I got. And we actually wound up with an awesome day. 6 species in total: perch, largemouth, crappie, rock bass, smallmouth, and bluegills. Super awesome day. Got a bunch of time on streamers, got a bunch of time on the fly. Yeah, just check it out, guys. Hope you enjoy. This little dam. Maybe we can get some smallmouth this time, or just anything at this point. That'd be cool with me. Anything. Ooh. Try not to jam up my knees. I can wait out here for a little bit and not feel too guilty about spooking anything. Never actually fly fished here before. I've seen a lot of people do it, but I've never fly fished here. Ooh, that's something, I think. Might have been just rocks. Got something in my eye that's killing me. That's a snag. I'll go get her out. It might behoove me to switch to something a little green pumpkin-y, since that was a killer here last time. What do I have here? What is this? What on grossness is this? Oh, somebody's bobber. Okay, well, I'll take a free bobber. Little grotesque, little gross, little very gross. But yeah, let me hook you back up so I can get all this line out of the water. I got the whole rig, a little corn rig. Let's see if I can get a good toss onto the bank from here. That's close. These rocks are so slickery. I think there's a fluke here in the water. That's old. I don't even know what that is. That's a worm hook. It's wore out. Phew, Lord. Stanky water.
wants it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look at that. A little perchy. Look at that little guy. Hey, Sean. Little perch. Little perch. Look at that. Little perch. Oh, come on, give me my fly. On that black conehead woolly booger with a little extra flash on it. I don't know if you lip these guys or what. He's flaring out his gills there. Let's see. I think he'll be okay if I lip him, just so you guys can get a good view of him. He ain't nothing special, he's little, but hey, something turned out of the day, you know. Oh, I gotta fix all my line. I should have reeled in, but I got a little excited and I was like, ah, let's just get him in. But heck yeah, I'll be honest with you, that's my first ever perch. First ever perch, and on the fly. He's a stinky little thing. Now see if we can find his big brother, or his daddy. That was on my yellow, or not my yellow, I don't know what I'm saying, oh, it's a perch. It was on my black conehead woolly booger that I tied. I believe it's a size 5 or 6. It's small, it is for trout. I do have some bigger flies that can be used for some other bass and stuff, and it might, you know, I might need to move up sizes here in a minute if I don't spook anything else out. But I think that this size will do just fine. The conehead does give it a little bit of a bigger presence. And this is a very flashy woolly booger. I would definitely say it's an attractor woolly booger. And I'll show it to you guys. I'll pull it out here right now. Get a good view of it because I don't think I showed it earlier. But yeah, it's got some flash in the tail. The chenille I used also got some flash in it. If you look at that, you can see it in the water there. It's got pretty nice movement to it. So we'll get it back out there and get it fishing more. See if we can scare up something else. You know, I'm a little bit sad we haven't been able to get any trout going on the fly, but to get out here and just put some streamers in through the water and relax, that's okay with me too. As a new species for me on the fly and as in general, so I'm not unhappy. Here in a minute, put on some more sunscreen. What? Probably do one more cast and then go back to the bank for a second. Maybe put a green one on. And if I have one, why not have one? Oh. Little bluegill. Little bluegill. Little bluegilly gilly. I don't even need to. Well, bye, buddy. Huh? I might need to size up for that. I'm gonna go put some sunscreen on. Well, and I used some of this cool fish bruisers bait. I picked up at a local fly shop out here. I think it's called Bruisers with Blend Amber or something like that, and it's a fly fish food and hairline. So hopefully I don't lose this guy. Try fly on. Try your fly. Oh, oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, oh, he's a good one. Oh, come on, come on. Yeah, son, largey on the fly. Look at that, he smoked that. He smoked that. That stinger hook. All right, there we go. He's still a good strong swim off there. See how badly he mangled my fly here. We're pretty mangled. We're pretty mangled. Right there. Holy crap. Holy crap. There we go. Perch. Yeah, it was a big one though. How'd you get it, buddy? Ooh. He swiped, missed, and got him in the eye. What? Ooh. I see why they like to thrash like, ooh. Those plates hurt right there. There we go. Oh, those are fun. I got some sharp plates right here. Look at that. He got me right there. I'm bleeding a little bit. That's little sharp plates right there. Now, if we were doing a perch fry, this guy would be a perfect little snack, but I feel those scales. All right, buddy. Ooh, he got me again with that. I knew he was gonna do it too. He was too feisty. Too feisty. He felt heavy on the line though. I thought it was something big. I was getting excited. I thought it was a nice big bass. So, what I got here is nickel conehead. This is some of that Fishmas blend. And I don't know if you can find it around holiday time or if it's an all year thing, doesn't matter. Fishmas blend, all hairline. That's that fly fish food, amber, bruiser bait, whatever they call it. It's just white marabou. A little size, I think it's a size 8 stinger hook. I believe this is a size 4. Yeah, it's probably size 4. This is a little plastic bead from salmon fishing that I had left over. And look at that, that's money in the water, dude. Didn't want to come in though. Might have been a carp. A lot of carp down here. A lot of people come out here and try to carp fish, corn and stuff. Like that bobber rig I found earlier that just had one piece of corn on it. Probably kept carp rig somebody was trying out. Don't get me wrong. Ooh, this is something. This is something. This is something. Oh my. This one's got some size to it. He's putting me on a run. It's not a perch, but he's decent. Oh, that's not a half bad perch. Not a half bad perch at all. He's slimy as all get out too. Come here, bud, so I can undo you. Look at that tight lip. No, I don't want to go. Just hold on, buddy. There we go. And for you guys, here's a look at this big guy. He gave me a little bit of a run. He had some muscle to him. These perch are not playing out. These perch are not playing out here, man. I am absolutely wiping out on these rocks. I'm getting killed on these rocks.
You feel it. It's a little small.
Little smallmouth. 4 species today.
Yep. So you know what none of them was?
What?
Trout.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
can't catch them all.
That is true.
Better go change out batteries.
There's a little smallie. Thanks, little buddy.
rock bass after rock bass after rock bass. They're fun little things. They usually ain't too big. That's 5 species. Well, I think I'm kind of limited here. It does stank. There we go. I was out there. Ooh, I saw that silver belly swipe at it. He missed it completely. But oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, he is fighting. Oh, that's another big perch. Oh, okay, come on. Come on. Oh, he came back for it. I was talking about him not coming back, and then what did he do? He came back. Let's make this easy here, bud. Where do you got it? Got just the one? Good. Good deal, man. Good deal, fat man. Son, I tell you what, I have never been able to catch perch down here. But, well, he went. They're crashing. They are wanting it today. I have not had no good luck with perch down here until this year. I don't know if they put more of them in the lake or what. Because they're not now. This is not a natural lake, so all the fish, I mean, they spawn and stuff here, but they were not native to this lake. If you get what I'm saying. Nibbling, but didn't even want it. Did not want it. Could have been carp. They get like that out here. They'll nibble on anything. But might have also been a bluegill because they like to do little hits like that. But hey, I'm cool with a bluegill as long as he wants to commit. Anything on the fly is pretty fun. Ooh, okay. I don't know what that was, but that just been a bluegill. You got something halfway decent. Crappie. Come over here. I want to see that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all that water in there. It is. Jesus. Hey guys, that was a fun day. Whew. 6 species in one day. That was largemouth, smallmouth, perch, bluegill, rock bass, and crappie. One crappie at the end. Didn't get footage of it. He was showing some people. But I'm soaked, so I'm calling in. We probably could have kept going, probably could have kept catching fish, but I'm absolutely drenched. So if you enjoy this type of content and you like the fly fishing stuff and you're interested in any of the flies, check out my Instagram. Post on there daily. Fly tying content, fishing content, all sorts of stuff. But yeah, if you like this video, drop me a comment, like, subscribe. I'd be real appreciative of that. But most importantly, guys, get out there and catch the fish.